modified Ni, zeolite-type catalyst for triacetin production as a bioadditive fuel in a fixed-bed reactor. By Henny Devjani, R.A. Sonia Suryandari, Eram Karthikasri, Febrianti U. D. Prativi and Muhammad Hafiz Hassan. Glycerol, a byproduct of biodiesel, constitutes 10% of the total biodiesel volume. To enhance its economic value, it is important to explore methods to convert glycerol into other products. It is essential to find ways to effectively utilize glycerol in fuel to enhance energy security and improve fuel quality. One such method involves the esterification reaction of glycerol and acetic acid using a Ni, zeolite heterogeneous catalyst to produce triacetin. Triacetin can serve as a fuel additive to reduce knocking in machinery. This study aims to assess the impact of glycerol mole on acetic acid, the influence of feed flow rate on glycerol conversion in a fixed-bed reactor, and the effect of reaction products on fuel octane number. The methods used in this research are 1. Zeolite catalyst preparation, 2. Catalyst modification, 3. Acetylation reaction, product analysis, 4. Analysis of glycerol conversion, and 5. Analysis of octane number. The esterification reaction was conducted at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius with varying mole ratios of glycerol to acetic acid 1:3, 1:5, 1:7, 1:9, and different feed flow rates in the fixed bed reactor 40, 60, 80, 100 milliliters per minute. Experimental results indicated that the highest glycerol conversion occurred at a feed flow rate of 40 milliliters per minute and a glycerol to acetic acid ratio of 1:9, resulting in a glycerol conversion of 72.05%. Additionally, the product of the acetylation reaction was added to Indonesian commercial fuels, Premium, Pertalite, and Pertamax, at various percentages, leading to an increase in the octane number of the fuels. It can be concluded that the product of the acetylation reaction can function as a bioadditive. The highest increase in octane number was observed by adding 8% of the product to Pertamax fuel, resulting in an 8.5% increase from the initial value of 93 to 101. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.